You see, we Nigeria, we call it environmental. Is it? Can someone still remember environmental sanitation? Oh my God. Guys, you know, when I'm telling you guys that everything about Ghanaians, they are just doing it like the way Europe do their things. A lot of improvement in that country, just like the way Europe do their thing. That is the way Republic of Ghana is really doing their things right now, my people. You know, that time when we were growing up in our country, Nigeria, then every last Saturday of the month or 2 weeks, I don't know, we always do environmental sanitation till 10 o'clock before you start movement. So you need to clean the whole environment, make your compound proper, isn't it? Guys, let's dive on the video and see how Ghanaians are doing their. Adorable people, hello lovers, hello my gorgeous people, how you all doing? Compliments of the season, happy Christmas to you all over the world. I hope you guys enjoy your Xmas. It has been long a little while. You guys know it's season things now, okay? It's the birthday of Jesus. We have to celebrate it, okay, my people? Okay, guys, so my old subscribers, returning subscribers, lovers, viewers, supporters in there, may God bless you all, my adorable people. Trust me, guys, I am not taking any of you for granted. I love you all with the love of God. In case you are new in my channel, you don't know what I do, I always deliberate on Ghana and Nigeria issue, not for bad, my adorable people. It's for good, okay, my people? So, guys, in today's video, it's all about how Ghanaians transform their environmental sanitation in their country. That is what we will be talking about right here now, okay? So, guys, if you know you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do as you do. May God in heaven bless you. Always share my video, always like and always support, okay, my adorable people? So guys, let's dive on today's video, okay, my people? President Nana Akufo-Addo just offer a lot of garbage truck. You guys know what is a garbage truck, right? A lot of garbage truck to his own country, so that you can be cleaning your own environment. That is Operation Clean Your Frontage, okay? Oh my God, this President Nana Akufo-Addo, the president of Republic of Ghana, cannot stop amazing us. Honestly, it's so amazing. It's full of surprise. He always come out with huge one and important one, okay? Important or not irrelevant one, okay? You guys know cleanliness is closer to God, isn't it, my people? So he decided to offer a lot of garbage truck so that you can be cleaning your environment, your area. They don't need whereby you are walking along the street, you just walk across where they throw away garbage. Then the next thing you will see flies everywhere. Those kind of things cause bacteria. It causes yellow and high fever, okay, my people? So he decided to put stop to it right now. He decided to supply it started from Accra, okay, my people? It was existing in Accra before, but right now, trust me, guys, he circulated, he make it individual, each state in Ghana, okay, my people? Each regions in Ghana. That is what will be taking place right now. So you have to clean your environment proper, then you throw the garbage into the garbage truck for them to go and throw away the dustbin, okay? So guys, I will be dropping the video along this broadcast so that you can see how the whole things take place. Trust me, President Nana Akufo-Addo is really doing well. He's really doing great. He loves to invest in important things, the things the country really needs. He loves to invest on it. Trust me, when your country is dirty, nobody will like to go there. They will always complain, oh, that country is so dirty, you know. When you go to that country, you always come back home with high fever, okay? So it's really doing a great job, my people. So guys, subscribe to my channel. As you do, may God bless you. Always share, always like, okay, my people? So guys, try and watch till the end and see how the whole thing take place, my people. So you are entitled to your own opinion. Whatsoever you think about this video, don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section down below. Trust me, I will get back to you. I love you all with the love of God, and I will love to see you all in my next. Watch till the end.
President of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Member of Council of State, Honorable Regional Minister, Greater Accra Regional Minister, Honorable Henry Quartey, Honorable Ministers of States, the government chair, MMDCs, presiding and district assembly members, humbly stand on the existing protocols. It is really great to witness this day as we launch the Clean Your Frontage campaign to make the citizenry responsible for cleaning their surroundings, while the service providers take care of domestic waste collection, street cleansing, and other public areas. Your Excellency, Zoomlion Ghana Limited and all the private companies in Accra pledge seriously to this Operation Clean Your Frontage campaign. It is therefore very heartwarming when, upon assumption of office, the Greater Accra Regional Minister, Honorable Henry Quartey, launched Accra Must Work, Greater Accra Must Work campaign alongside the Clean Accra project. We humbly pledge our full support by providing our vehicles, our tricycles, about 1,000 tricycles. So ESPA, Koniwas, and Zoomlion in partnership provide logistics. And Your Excellency, I humbly want to pledge that we're going to make available 100,000 dustbins, 100,000 dustbins available to support the Operation Clean Your Frontage, so that citizenry will get dustbins in placing in front of their houses to discharge the waste. On this note, we, all the private companies, support this laudable initiative and pledge our full support. We will work tirelessly, day and night, to make sure that this campaign becomes a success. Thank you and God bless you.
One more time, Dr.
The President of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Your Royal Majesty, the Government Chair, the Honorable Regional Minister for Greater Accra, the Honorable Ministers of States, and Honorable Members of Parliament, colleague Deputy Ministers, the Honorable Metropolitan, Municipal and District Chief Executives, Heads of Decentralized Department, my Honorable Assembly members and presiding members here gathered, the media, ladies and gentlemen, the Ministry of Local Government, Decentralization and Rural Development, led by the Honorable Dan Bochi, the Honorable Member of Parliament for Okre, and indeed the entire Ministry of Local Government is glad to be associated with this initiative by the Greater Accra Regional Coordinating Council, and wish to reiterate our support for this laudable initiative dubbed Operation Clean Your Frontage. Your Excellency, according to the 2021 report by the UNICEF on sanitation and wastes in Ghana's urban cities, especially in cosmopolitan and multicultural areas such as the Greater Accra, social mobilization to promote sanitation and improved hygiene in this settlement is complicated. Nonetheless, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, cleanliness is a social and a public good. Therefore, every resident in Greater Accra must get involved in the discussion and the decision making for the good of all. It is commendable that the Greater Accra Regional Coordinating Council has taken up the step to mobilize and empower all actors in the area to practice and in a sustainable way respond to the region's waste management and sanitation challenges. Your Excellency, it is also good to note that the Greater Accra Regional Coordinating Council has extended its engagement process to include all the major stakeholders and community opinion leaders to undertake educational and awareness sensitization to all the residents for the past 3 months in the region, focusing essentially on the residential property owners and private and public institutions to clean and green their frontage and all open spaces around their properties to improve on the aesthetics of their environment. Your Excellency, the Ministry of Local Government, Decentralization and Rural Development is in support of this laudable initiative, and I wish on behalf of the Sector Minister, His Honor Dan Botwe, to urge the media fraternity to support the initiative and monitor its progress to make Greater Accra clean to help attract investors, tourists for economic good. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it might interest you to know that the bylaws formulated on cleaning frontage premises have been gazetted, and all metropolitan, municipal, and district assemblies in Greater Accra region should ensure its implementation to the latter. On this note, Your Excellency, I wish on behalf of the Honorable Minister for Local Government assure the Greater Accra Coordinating Council of the Ministry's support and to encourage all residents in Greater Accra to contribute towards the achievement of this objective to make Accra one of the cleanest cities on the continent. Thank you, and may God bless us all.
Coordinating Council and all MMDCs across the Greater Accra for this laudable initiative dubbed Operation Clean Your Frontage. This initiative is aimed at behavioral change, which is critical in ensuring that we have a decent environment in order to avoid sicknesses across the country. Your Excellency, the agenda to make Accra and other parts of the country clean should be a collective responsibility, and the role of the individual citizens in this agenda is very critical. It is in this light that I thank the Greater Accra Regional Minister for initiating this program aimed at behavioral change so that individual Ghanaians will take responsibility in ensuring that their environment, their areas where they live, their areas where they do business is clean in order to feed into the national agenda. Your Excellency, the benefits of a clean environment to the citizens of Ghana are enormous. If we have a very clean environment, we are going to avoid environmentally related sicknesses, and I'm sure if you go to OPDs across the country, a lot of the sicknesses that are reported on a daily basis are related to our environment. And so if we are able to keep our environment clean, we are going to avoid these numerous sicknesses, which will go a long way to reduce hospital attendance, waste of working hours, and also reduce costs. And once we're able to save a lot of money as a result of avoiding these sicknesses and not going to hospitals, we are going to be able to invest these savings into productive ventures that will enhance the living standards of Ghanaians. Your Excellency, the Ministry of Sanitation and Water Resources, I want to, on behalf of the Minister, assure the Greater Accra Regional Minister and all the 16 regional coordinating councils and 261 assemblies across the country of the Ministry's continuous collaboration with all of them and the private sector to ensure that the agenda to make sure Accra and all parts of Ghana clean is ensured and it is achieved.